Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Thursday out there. Are we ready for another wild and woolly market out there? Hoo-hoo! Somebody grab the phone from that guy. Good morning. All right, now assume that I've got a good sight and sound. So let's press on. Trading involves the risk of loss of capital. Thank you, Alan. And today, Thursday, the 2nd of August, Challenger job report was out already. Jobless claims we got. Thank you, Walter. Factory orders are out at 10. That's pretty much it for the economic calendar. Here's the earnings calendar. The blue signifies stocks that are blue sky, looking good. Yellow means look out below. They were looking down last night. Now, I only had a chance to glance at a few this morning. One of the reasons, Mike, that I grabbed CI was because the Cigna reported today, and Clorox, CLX. That's the only blue one that I see that really is gapping up to or near a resistance or swing level, and WLK going down. The problem with a lot of these is, are they going to be able to hold the gaps with a very, very weak market? So be careful. Speaking of the market, let's go on over and let's look at, oh, come on. There we go. No, where are you? Oh, it's hidden over here, is it? Let's start with the US dollar. Let's go back into a 3-month shot. US dollar shooting up. I think it goes up to 95 and a half. And just kind of zigzagging. The stochastics RSI has been pointing up that whole time that we've just kind of marched in place. Eventually it takes over. Crude oil down 35 cents, and we had talked about the possibility of 65.90, this level here for volume price point of control. Mike, you're talking about the 63.77 with a rising 200 down here. Yeah, but we got to get below this this price level first. So, I mean, one step at a time. Don't get the horses too far, or cart too far ahead of the horses, or some stuff like that. Yep, we totally agree on that one, Mike. Gold, it looks like I see a little crack appearing in gold. Aggressive traders could probably initiate a swing short in gold. Been waiting for that one. All right, let's go back up to the equity markets. S&P definitely rolling over. I thought we were ready for a bounce, but we're not. Before I do that, I want to zip on over. I want to look at the T21, 22. I want to look at it on lines. We were up here, but we weren't in the pullback zone or anything. We just kind of bouncing between 30 and 75, 30 and 80. So we're still in no man's land. Let's see if today holds. I'm not going to get all that excited about the open. Although it's pretty healthy. We were down 15 earlier, now we're down 13. NASDAQ was down 50 something, and now it's a little less than that. It's sitting right on top of the 50-day moving average, but more importantly for me, it's at 72.25. Below that 72.25 or maybe 7,200, we drop all the way down to 69.50. Stochastics RSI is pointing upwards on this a little bit. We'll have to see what happens. I've been saying that a lot. Russell We're in no man's land. We could not get over that volume pricing control at about 1680. It sure looks like we're heading down to the bottoms here at about 1650, but maybe even the 1630. So the Russell looks kind of weak. Dow definitely looks weak. Somewhere in this area that we're at, maybe down to 25,000 on the Dow, and then we'll reassess. IYT got up there, and I think it's going to roll over today, but we'll see. We don't have any indications pre-market yet. US 10-year 2.988%, up there near 3. Looks like it's gathering steam to go higher, though. And the VIX is up almost a point at 1413 and above about 1450. Wow. Katie bar the door is 18 in possibility. Right. I'll let you be the buyer on that one there, Mike. Okay, let's go on over. I do have a few stocks that look bullish, but in the market, beware of, they're going to have to be on their own page. They're not going to get any help. C.H. Robinson Worldwide, after the gap up yesterday on earnings, and 6.6% short. I think it wants to get to 98.25. Molina Health, MOH, 14% short. With a decent market or even just a neutral market, I would say that it goes much higher, but we don't know yet. NBIX, same thing. You know, will all of these pull back to their last resistance level or something like that? Maybe. Paycom, 13% short. Looks like it wants to try to go up. It'll be on my watch list. Unisys, can't believe that is actually on my watch list. 19% short. Looking for a move above $14.75 to $15 and see what happens. XYL, it got up and then went sideways, kind of a consolidation. We look at, say, a 60-minute chart. You see how it is kind of going like that. And it wants to curl up. The market may not allow it to do that. MTOR, same thing, 45-degree runner. Pfizer, from 2 days ago, actually went up yesterday. Let's see what it does. The BOP has changed into green. Molson Tap, over 71. And where does it go? Gosh, I mean, there's got a bunch of resistance over here to the left, but ultimately you may want to hit 81. Clack, up, sideways, looking for a 1, 2, 3 continuation move here. Got to get over and hold 1820. 118.20. UPS after that big run up, it still needs to get over the $120 level. Allison, looking for a 1, 2, 3 continuation move here, potentially. GPC, up on earnings and kind of bouncing around now. It's close enough to the $100 level. I think it probably wants to tag it. Avery Dennison, AVY, and up solidly on earnings and maybe running out of steam. I don't really know. It's kind of hard to tell. Let's let price tell us. Garmin up, 8.4% short. Watch for a move over 65. Good bop. Fortinet was scheduled to gap up here around 70. I don't know what it was doing in the pre-market. I did not look at FTNT. Let's go look at that right now. And see where she's to 70. And that's about where it is. It looks like it's going to at least gap over the swing. Use an opening range, 5, 15, 30, your choice of what you use, and see if it holds. Okay. I've taken up all the time that I have this morning. I need to move over to room 3. Now, be extra vigilant today with the market starting off weak. That don't be in all fired hurry to do anything rash. But watch your holdings very, very carefully. All right, you guys take care. Be safe. Aloha.